Good morning, children. Today we will see very large and very small numbers in standard form. We already learnt about how to write large numbers in standard form in 7th class. So once we will check large numbers in standard form. So a number expressed as a decimal number between 1.0 and 10.0 including 1.0 multiplied by a power of 10. So for example 24000 24,000. Now it is one large number. How can you write in standard form? This is not a standard form because whenever you wanted to write in standard form, you have to write the number in the form of decimal, and that lies between 1 and 10. So this is far greater than 10. So we will write it between 1 and 10. So how we will write? Just see. So given value is 24000 24,000. So this can be expressed in the standard form as 2.4 into 10 power of 4. So in this expression, decimal is more 4 places to left. Listen how I will do this one. So given that 24000. So we know that how to write the expression in standard form. We know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 24,000. It is far greater than 10. Yes or no? It is far greater than 10. So simply we have to write this number between 1.0 and 10.0. How can we write this mean? So should keep decimal after whatever the first digit. That mean here what is the first digit? 2. After 2 just keep the decimal. Okay? Yes. Next count after 2 how many digits have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here having 4 digits, and so you should write the remaining digit, that is 4, and find zeros. These all are zeros, so no need to write it here. Simply should multiply with take the base is 10, and how many digits have after 2? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So simply write the 4 as a power of 10. So this is our answer. Okay, what I said, can you understand? That means it is applicable for large numbers and small numbers also. Now let's one more example. Now tell me one more example, that is 42320000. So what is the standard form? So first one, just check it. Where is the decimal? Here not there any decimal. So we will keep the decimal at the end. So here now we want the decimal point, and the decimal number lies between 1 and 10. So here we have to jump from decimal here, no? So jump from here to right to left side. 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jump, 6 jump, and 7 jump. That means we have to keep the decimal after 4. So 4 point, rest of the number is 232 into, we will take the base 10. So now what is the exponent? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 jumps. So directly should write power 7. It is our standard form. Okay, I think you understand. Clear? One more example. Now tell me, what is the standard form of 3246? Just observe, is there any decimal point? Not there. So the decimal is at the end. So now how many jumps we will go for towards to left, right to left. So that is 1, 2, 3. We want to get the decimal place, and that lies between 1 and 10. So here 3. So should write 3 point, how many jumps? 1, 2, 3. So 3 jumps after we will get decimal part. So 3.246, the rest of the number 246 into, what is the base? 10. And now exponent. For exponent, how many jumps? 1, 2, 3 jumps. So simply write it power 3. This is our standard form of given number. That means how many places you should move from left to right or right to left, you have to count. That is the power. So here just observe, here 1, 2, 3. So this is left to right, this is right to left. So right to left you moved 1, 2, 3 parts, 3 jumps. So that is power 3 jumps. Here should observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 jumps from right to left. So 10 power of 7. Clear? And here 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps from right to left. So power is 4. At the same one more example. Here 6, 9, 5, 0, 0, 0. So average radius of the sun is 6, 9, 5, 0, 0, 0 kilometers. So this can be expressed as the standard form. That is, how many jumps we will move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 jumps. That means 6 after keep the point. 6 after keep the point, and the rest of the number should write at there 9, 5 into, the base should take 10, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 jumps. Should write the exponent as the 5 jumps. This is standard form. That means we moved 5 places to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means we moved from right to left 5 jumps. That is our standard form. In this way only we will find the standard. Next one, for small numbers, how to write the standard form. Okay. So consider a number 0.000012. So how we will write as a standard form of the small number? It is smaller or bigger number? Larger number? It is smaller number. So where is the decimal? Should follow same rule. So where is the decimal? Here. So in large number we moved from right to left, but here small numbers after decimal have the digits. So we have to move from left to right. So should write standard form. First of all, we have to search where should we keep the decimal. So these all are ones, but what is the standard form? Actually that is decimal number, and that number lies between 1 and 10. So here after decimal having 0, 0, 0, 0, but here have the 1. So we have to move from left to right after decimal. We have to search for the decimal. So 1 jump, 2 jump, 3 jump, 4 jump, 5 jumps. So after 5 jumps you should keep the decimal. That means 1 point, remaining part, rest of the point should write it here, 2 into, what is the base? We should take 10 power. The exponent we should write as, how many jumps you write? 1, 2, 3, 4 and here 5. So should write as exponent negative 5. Why means it is having after 0. Okay, that's why when we write the standard form of smaller numbers, then we use the negative exponents. Okay, one more example. Now tell me what is the standard form of 0.0000003429. Same. Find the decimal point. Where should we keep? So these all are zeros. So go for first digit here. Go for 3. So 3 after keep the decimal and remaining part should write it 2429 and into. Now should count it. How many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 jumps. So it is a smaller number, very small number. So that's why should keep negative. And how many jumps you got it here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power of minus 8. So it is our standard form of small numbers. Clear? One more example. Write the number 0.000055 in standard form. So what is the standard form? This one simply 5. 5 after keep the decimal 5.5 rest of the values into 10 power of negative. This is a smaller number. So how many jumps we will take it here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So keep minus 5. Okay, this is the standard form of smallest numbers. And in this expression decimal is moved 5 places to right. Yes or no? So here decimal is moved 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place, 5 place. So from left to right. Okay. Let's see some more examples. Tell me the standard forms of given. First one 150000. How many zeros? 3, 4, 5 zeros. Now tell me what is the standard form of this one. Yes, first of all there is no any decimals. So what is the first digit? Should keep after decimal first for the first one. So 1 point, yes. Then after count it. Then after what is the remaining values left? Here having the 5. So keep 5 into, now count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So take the base 10 and the power is 6. Why means it is larger number. Okay. Next go for the second one. 34500. Same first digit 3 point, rest of the value 45 into, take the base into, multiplied by the power of 10. So what is the exponent we should write it here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Left to right. We are moving from right to left. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So power 4. Okay. Next one 5, 6, 7, 2, 5. Just 5 point. Rest of the value should write it and keep multiply. Should take the base as 10 and count it. How many digits have? How many digits we have to? How many from right to left? 1, 2. How many jumps? How many jumps we will take from here? 1, 2, 3, 4 jumps. So 10 power of 4. Okay. Next one, decimals. Here same, should move left to right. So first of all search for the where should we keep the decimal? Simple, remember that one. After zeros have the first value, whatever the first value, then after keep the point 5 2, remaining value should write it and multiply with 10 power. Now count it 1 2 3 4 5. So it is a smaller number, so we will take negative exponents 1 2 3 4 5. So 5. Clear? Next one, this one. How do you write? 4.6 into 10 power 1 2 only. So negative 2. Okay. Next one. Here last one 3 into 10 power, count it 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So negative 9. So in this way we will write the standard form of very large and very small numbers. Okay, good. Once I will explain laws of exponent, how it will applicable. First one, a power of m into a power of n, that is equal to a power of m plus n. So here bases are equal, in multiplication powers are different. So simply should write the base directly and add the powers. Okay. So example, 2 power of 4 into 2 power of 5. Here base is 2 and operator is multiplication. So 2 power, what is the powers first? What is the exponents in first one? 4 and second one 5. So add the powers. So 2 power of 4 plus 5, that is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 2 power of 9. Okay. Next one, 2 power of minus 4 into 2 power of minus 3. Here also same basis. Powers are different, but it is in multiplication. So simply 2 with base is common, should write the same base and add the powers. That means first is minus 4, we are adding. So keep plus into minus 3. Okay. We are adding now. So this symbol. So 2 power of minus 4 plus into minus 3. So now 2 power of minus 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 power of minus 7. Okay. Next one, 2 power of minus 3 into 2 power of 5. Same basis, in multiplication add the powers. So minus 3 plus 5. Minus 3 plus 5. That is equal to 5 minus 3. That is equal to 2. Positive 2. That is 2 power of 2. Okay. Next one. A power of m by a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. When bases are equal in division, powers are not equal, simply you should subtract the powers. Okay. That means a power of m minus n. So for example, 3 power of 8 by 3 power of 4. So that is equal to 3 power of base are equal 3. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4, that is equal to 3 power of 4. Okay. Don't subtract from 4 minus 8. Okay na? We have m is first one, second n. Next one, 3 power of 5 divided by 3 power of 6. So here also 3 power of base is common in division. Simply subtract the exponents. So 3 power of first exponent m is equal to 5, n is equal to 6. So m minus n, 5 minus 6. So 5 minus 6 is equal to, we know that, minus 1. So 3 power of minus 1. Okay. Next one, 3 power of minus 2 by 3 power of minus 6. That is equal to 3 power of m is equal to minus 2 minus of minus 6. So 3 power of minus 2 minus into minus plus 6. So minus 2 plus 6 is equal to 4. So 2 power of 4. Sorry, 2 not. This is base is 3. 3 power of 4. Okay. Next one, 3 power of minus 6 by 3 power of 4 is equal to, where m is equal to minus 6, n is equal to plus 4. So now 3 power of minus 6 minus 4. that is equal to 3 power of minus 10. Okay, I think you understand this one. That is, what is the formula? A power of m by a power of n is equal to a power of m minus n. Okay, next one, power of the power, power to power, a power of m whole to the power of n. So here having only one base, but powers have two. So a power m whole to the power of n, that is equal, that means you should multiply the powers directly. A power of m n, a power of m n. Okay, example, 2 power of 3 whole power of 4, that is equal to 2 power 3 into 4, 3 into 4, that is equal to 3 4s are 12, 2 power of 12. Next one, 5 power of minus 3 whole to the power of minus 2. So 5 power of minus 3 whole to the power of minus 2, minus, this is minus 3 into minus 2. So minus into minus plus 2, 3 2s are 6. So 5 power of 6. Okay. Next example, 6 power of 6 to the power 2 whole to the power minus 4. Same, base is 6. So 6 power 2 into minus 4. 2 4s are 8. But having here minus. So keep it minus. That means 6 power of minus 8. Okay. Next one. A power of, next one, a power of m into p power of m. When powers equal, bases are not equal in multiplication, we know that product the base. So a into b whole to the power of m. For example, 2 cube into 3 cube. So here bases are different but powers are equal. It has in multiplication. So simply multiply the bases. So 2 into 3 whole to the power, what is the base? What is the power? What is the exponent? 3. Keep it that. Okay. That means 2 3s are 6 whole to the power of 3. Next example, minus 4 whole to the power of 2 into 5 power of 2. Powers equal. So simply multiply the bases. Minus 4 into 5 whole to the power of 2. That is equal to minus 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Have negative sign. So keep it. Minus 20 whole power of 2. Okay. Next one. Minus 7 whole to the power of minus 4 into minus 4 whole to the power of minus 4. So here also powers are equal. So simply multiply the bases. Minus 7 into minus 4 whole to the power minus 4. That is minus into minus plus 7 4s are 28. So 28 whole to the power of minus 4. Okay. Next one. A power of m by b power of m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. Here division. Bases are not equal. Only powers equal. Okay. That means simply you divide the bases, keep the power as usual. So example, 2 power of 3 by 4 power of 3. Powers equal, but bases are different and it is in division. So simply a by b, that is 2 by 4 whole to the power 3. That is 2 by 4 whole to the power of 3. If it is possible to calculate, should divide. Should calculate it. That means 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. That is 1 by 2 whole to the power of 3. Clear? Next. Minus 3 whole to the power of 7 by 2 power of 7. So here powers equal. Bases are not equal in division. So simply minus 3 by 2 whole to the power of 7. Okay. Next example. Minus 6 whole to the power of 5 whole divided by minus 4 whole to the power of 5. So powers, exponents are equal. Bases are not equal. Simply we know that for formula a power of m by b power of m is equal to a by b whole to the power of m. So here minus 6 by minus 4 whole to the power of 5. So here minus minus cancel and it is possible to cancelize it. So 2 3s are 2 2s are. So 3 by 2 whole to the power of 5. Clear? So in this way we have to use the formulas. And the next one, sorry, here a power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. This is not a power of 1 by m. This is reciprocal of a power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m only. This is not a power of 1 by m. Okay. A power of minus m is equal to 1 by a power of m. Clear? So 2 power of minus 2, that is equal to 1 by 2 power of 2, that is equal to 1 by 4. Next, minus 8 whole to the power of minus 3, that is equal to 1 by minus 8 whole to the power of plus 3. Clear? Yes. Next one, a by b whole to the power of minus m is equal to b by a whole to the power of m. That is equal to, that means if you have any fraction that is convert into reciprocal and interchange the sign of the exponent. Here having negative sign, but here positive sign. Where is the difference? Here reciprocal only. That means numerator becomes denominator, that means denominator becomes numerator. A becomes by a, b becomes into b. That is equal a by b whole to the power of minus m is equal to b by a whole to the power of m. Okay. Example, 2 by 3 whole to the power of minus 4, that is equal to 3 by 2 whole to the power of 4. Clear? Next, minus 4 by 3 whole to the power of minus 6, that is equal to, what is the numerator? 4, denominator 3. It should be converted, that is numerator minus 4. So 3 becomes numerator, 4 becomes denominator. Just keep the minus sign. So 3 by 4 whole to the power of 6. Plus 6 becomes minus 6 becomes plus 6. Clear? In this way we have to use the formulas